goodness. This is my fourth day of the talk. Not in a row, but still. Oh no. How muddy is it? Not muddy, sandy, oh no. Woo! Oh, don't slip, Ashten. I swear to God, Ashten. You slip, you die. No turning back now. That's what's the problem. Woo! Go! You can fall really bad. Yeah, you can die. Woo! I'm not going. Oh, crap, is that it? Ah, I think so. I hope so. Oh, pine cones, frick you. Oh, frick you, fuckers. Oh. Oh, okay. Ah! Ah! Oh! 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 Oh, silver fuckers. Ah! Wow, I was too scared to go. All you have to do is walk and you are out. Okay, now I'm gonna show you some enduring riding. Not this is easy, this you just go like that. But it's, yeah. That's not so easy. Cause yeah, you have to turn like this. Please freaking motherfucking. Okay, it was easy. Oh, should I go the normal or should I go the I'm going this way. Bye, it's my fault. Holy. I'm gonna always slip on this side. Woo! Now watch this, guys. Woo! Eyes. I'm actually going the psychopath way. Which way is that? Well, when you go fudging this way and you try to kill yourself, that's what it is. Oh yeah, I'm committing suicide, right, yeah. Jesus. So you guys for this for a trip, or should I go the big boy way? I choose the big boy way. Come on. I mean the baby way, not the big boy. Okay, whoa! This is so easy. Well, for the most part it's easy. Yeah? You slip a lot. Okay, now it's starting to get hard. Oh no, but I wanted to go down there. Going to. Okay, Ashten. Whatever you do not fall in the soft sand. I mean, it won't hurt, but still. Yeah, this is the way I fell last time. Okay, I almost fell there. Okay. Oh, yeah, it is. Go. Come with me. Oh, that was, yeah. That was good. And now I'm gonna show off to my dad. Yo, Dad. Yo, Jamal. Coming? Yeah. Yeah. Look, come look here. Oh God. Woo! Okay. Showing off was not a good idea. Why did I do that? I almost just fell. Really hard. Okay, watch this. Now I'm going to head and I'm just gonna go down where he feels first for his car. Oh guys, what's this? What? Oh god, what have I done? Okay, thank goodness it was just a brick. So guys, I'm gonna go. Woo! Let's do this. Wait, I think I'm gonna go up where I fell so many times. Should I? I mean, it's a lot flatter. I mean, it was such a big hill when we first got here, like when it was our first time, but now it's just kind of small. Which way? Not up there. Hell to the no, not going up there. Oh, we beat our dad, by the way. Oh, not home, but you know what I'm talking about. Alright? Now remember the place that I said do not go? Oh frick, I went the wrong way. Do you guys know that? How deep is it? Nope, too deep. Too deep. Oh god, I might be stuck here, you know? Oh no. This is not good. This is really not good. Guys! Just making it worse. Might have to call my dad. Oh no. It's gonna fall. Like 100%. Now, how does one get out of a situation like this? Call the dad. I did not know it was going to be so muddy. Apparently it rained here a lot. I'm so dumb. Dad! I got stuck in the mud! Guys, I'm back. From heard me. So I'm gonna get my bike stuck in the mud even more, you know, because my dad said I must pull it out. I'm gonna try like a stupid freaking thing. You guys can't say stupid. Holy guess what, guys? We finally made it. Don't pay attention how dirty we were, okay? Do not just... Oh yeah. Yeah bro, I think I need to asthma pump. I was into the mud. Dad, you are gonna watch this, you're gonna edit it. Dad, you'll see on the video right now how I pushed it out. I mean, I was completely ready for it to sink in the mud and then be broken, but you know, you gotta be worried sometimes. Oh, I choose the big bike way. Oh wait, no, this is not the big bike way. Oh, okay, I can see why Dad fell. That's how you do it, like, you don't do it any other way, like, bro, that's how Ashten freaking does it. Okay, no, that's it, Dad, sorry if you're watching this. Okay, Dad, I'm in a pickle. No. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. Yo, for some reason I thought that was a frog. Hey Dad! What's up? What? You know what? I'm not even gonna use brakes, you know why? Because I'm a G. Okay. I'm gonna be a G again. Yep, you know it. G for life. And I'm gonna just skip the whole. What the F? I'm an idiot, so I'm gonna go, yeah. Yep, you already know. I'm an idiot. Okay, that was actually kind of a little bit smart. I can't go down here. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. Holy thank God for my freaking enduro skills. I was completely stuck there. Oh yeah. Last time I fell very hard. I mean, no one knows about it. Haven't told anybody. But I fell really hard last time going down that. Wait, what the hell? What happened to the another freaking big ramp that was here? This is enduro. Ow, crap! Jesus, ow. Oh God. Holy mother fudging macaroni right there. Ho! Should I go down up here? Okay, that was easy. Kinda sad. That was kinda sad. Like, bro, this track is supposed to be for everyone, but still, it's so boring. Okay, guys, guess what? Yep, hill time. Who plays Hill Climb Racing? I love that game. Oh my God, it actually is. Guys, should I do it? Woo! Damn, this is so gonna see what's gonna happen to you. Hey guys, let's just take a moment to. I'm gonna be a copycat, and I'm gonna go down to 2 because I'm a boss. Oh, okay, come on. Dodge over. I bet they can't go, yeah? Hey, guess what, guys? Woo! But I want to go to this path. But I'm scared to go to this path. But I want to. But I'm scared. Now I'm just gonna chill on top, yeah? You know the vibe. I could have went this way the whole time instead of Wait, I got an idea. Ha! Can't believe that actually worked on this path, bro. I saw the guy there. He's coming this way. Okay, come on. This is the last turn. I'm home free, boys. You know what? Dad, I'm sorry if I take long, but I'm going to do the course. Actually, you know what? Dad, I lied. There's like 2-3 bikers there with freaking big bikes, and I'm not going to be the flat one on the ground, so hell to the nah. Hey guys, this is enduro action. This used to be a path, but it's overgrown now. Come here. Well, I'm going back home again. Because I'm just really dumb for some reason. This is not, well, yeah, it's kind of part of the track, but it's also another entrance, so. Pulling clutch, let it go, give it some gas, pulling clutch, and let go back.
But go a bit faster when you come back. Oh. It's like you're running like an old lady. I basically went everywhere on this track except that one horse. Not a surprise, but that's a surprise! Woo! Oh! Yo, actually, low-key, kinda cool. I'm gonna do it again. Come on. Ow, you son of a... Okay, second gear because in third gear it cut out, yeah? A little bit weird, but you know. I wonder how this goes. Oh man, I just messed it up. What? It goes here? Okay. Understood that. Oh, badly. Okay guys, don't mind us. Now you gotta wash it. Hold the front wheel.
Do I have to wash it straight away or can I take a break? Because I fell 3 times.
No, because you're gonna leave it, it's just gonna be dark. This turns, mud turns to rust. You press it under it, maybe you have to wash it off further.
I can't get this out.
You're gonna have to take a hose pipe and start cleaning it.
The mud is turned hard now. I can't get it out.
Because you've got to clean it for the next ride. Is it a nice job?
Huh?
Is it a nice job?
Nice job of riding and falling. Not a nice job cleaning.